Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Python Ninja YouTube channel, and today we will learn together a reduce method in Python. This will be a very quick tutorial, and sorry for the ring pause I have due to different circumstances. Reduce is a keyword that applies a function to an iterable object. It reduces the whole iterable object into one single value. The expression that is used to reduce or is used within reduce is reduce, and we will need a function and iterable, and this is typical to the expression that has been introduced also in the previous tutorial for filter or for map. So we need filter or map, and in this tutorial we need reduce, and to apply this function that is applied to iterable we need a function and we need the iterable itself. So this is like a general expression that is used for filter, for map, and here for reduce. In most cases, this reduce can be compensated by a for loop. So we can use for loop or other defined function to compensate the usage of reduce, but it is still used. For example, if we have an iterable that comes in a list and we want to apply reduce, how can we apply this reduce, or what is the operation that reduce applies? As we agreed that in the syntax we need a function and we need the iterable. Here the iterable is the data list, and the function, suppose any function that does addition or multiplication. Here, the steps that are internally applied inside the reduce method, it applies for the first two items in the iterable, and it gives one value for these two items. For example, it gives the addition or multiplication, okay, or concatenation. Then the result will be added or concatenated to the next item in the step 2. And the result of step 2 is added or concatenated or multiplied. So what is the operation is, then the result of step 2 is applied to the remainder item. So it starts with two items, and the result of the two items is applied frequently to the next items. Okay, so we can mathematically do another expression for reduce. For example, we apply a function to a1 and a2, and the result of the function in a1 and a2 is a function that considers a3, and the result of the function f1 and f2 is also a function of the result of f1 and f2, including f4. So how this can be coded in Python? Well, reduce is not is considered different than filter, since it's not built in directly with the Python. So for filter we can just type filter and we use filter. For map we can type that and use this map. But the reduce method is embedded inside the functool module. So we have to import from functools this reduce. From functools, import reduce. Okay. Now we imported reduce that is embedded within the functools library. So I have a list of letters here. So it will be like my name letters here. I have M, I have O, I will use small letter. I have H, I have A, I have N, I have additional A, sorry, I have to use comma here, and I have D. What I want to do, I want to concatenate these letters using reduce. You can do using for loop, also you can do it using simple function, you can do it using join method in strings. You can use it using list comprehension, but we will also use this concatenation to these letters using reduce method. What I need, I have to follow this syntax, and the syntax we need a function and iterable. The function is taken from Lambda. Please go back to Lambda tutorial to know how to can design Lambda. For example, I want to say name here is equal reduce, okay, that applies the function. The function here is taken from Lambda, and I need x1 and x2, okay, and the operations in the x1 and x2. So as we said that usually reduce take only first two items, and it applies to another items, okay. So we need x1 plus x2 because in the context of a string, a plus equal to concatenation, okay. Then I need also to use the letters themselves here. So this can be taken outside as a function, okay. For example, I can extract this to func, okay, equal this, and I can recall the func if I want to do more simplicity when you recover the code, and I will print this, okay, the name, and as you see here, my name has been reformulated well, and the letters has been joined together to formulate my name. Again, what you need is only two items, and this the result of the two items, okay, or the first two items will be considered inside the reduce method to the next item, and this the result of them will consider for the next item, and so on. You can simply neglect using or exclude reduce from your code. So I can reproduce this by one line, but I want to highlight this reduce because you reduce use lambda as an anonymous function also, and this is the last tutorial for us to highlight lambda, filter, and reduce. We also introduced map. In the next tutorial, we will introduce different topics. We will introduce iterator and intermediate in Python. So we can reproduce this, okay, instead of using reduce and importing reduce just by print join method, okay. For example, dot join of the letter, then you will have the same result, okay. This will reproduce the same result. You can loop over this and add a string variable that concatenate the items also. So there are many different ways to approach this name formulation. Another example, just to close this reduce method. For example, suppose we have let us consider numbers like these numbers, and we have 10, 20, 30, and 40. And what we need to have the multiplication 10 multiplied by 20, and the result multiplied by 30, and by 40. We will call it this factorial. So this factorial will be nothing but reduce method, okay, and this reduce method will apply lambda, and as we said, we need x1 and x2, and x1 and x1 comma x2, and this x1 will be multiplied by x2, and I need the iterator here, which is in numbers, and I want to see the result of the factorial, and here we have this number. Remember, when you use reduce, you don't unpack the result by using list. We use this form if we have instead of reduce map, or if we have filter. So here we have one representative value, so no need to unpack this. We can reproduce this also using like instead of reduce, you can receive or obtain the same number using just defining a very simple number, or using for loop, for example. We have the factorial that takes numbers, and inside these numbers I will have the total will equal 1, and I want to loop inside these numbers that I want to pass as an argument to the function, and I want to update the total now by this number, and I want to finally return the total variable that holds the result of the factorial. And when I print the factorial, for example, here, and will pass the numbers to the factorial here, I will have the same number, and just to give different name, I want to assign underscore to this function, and we will have the same result. That's for today's tutorial. It is a very quick tutorial, and I aim to include reduce as it is applied to a iterable object. We connected now four types together. We connected lambda with the map and with the filter, and we highlighted sort and sorted, and by this we will close by reduce. And in the next tutorial we will introduce iterator and iter tool in Python.